Welcome to a new 10-minute cardio workout. So this workout will be seated, but you can stand if you wish and follow along. The exercises will change every 30 seconds, and I'll give instruction in between just to let you know what exercise is coming up next. Have some water handy, and let's get started. Let's get started with a walk. Nice deep breath in, and breathe out. Again, nice deep breath in. Relax the shoulders. So we're going to start with tapping forward, bringing one hand forward, and go. And tapping one hand to the knee. Back into a walk, and let's bring the arms forward. Relaxing the shoulders. We're going to tap out to the side and press a hand out to the side. And back into a march, and let's press one arm up. And a heel dig and a bicep curl. So really flex those biceps. Back into a walk. And we're going to tap back with a tricep press or tricep kick back. And we are going to pick it up this time with a fast march. So 30 seconds of marching fast. If you find that hard with your hands, just move your feet. And going into our V step. And going in back to our walk, arms up to the side and down. Relax the shoulders. Tapping out to the side and pressing across. Going back into that walk. And arms overhead, sitting up straight. And going into an out, out, in with the feet. Let's do one more fast march. Going into that heel dig, pressing both hands in front, or one if you wish. Back into that walk, hands here, going out and back in, sitting up straight. Tapping in front again. Let's just bring an arm back. Relaxing the shoulders. And going back into a walk. Nice deep breath in. And breathing out. Let's just stretch the arms forward. And into a wrist curl. other direction, relaxing the legs, and that is it. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you get some water and have a wonderful day.